Hello and welcome to Jobsite Cookery. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and the men will be hungry round about 12 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very simple meal. It's very cheap, it's very quick, and there is no fuss at all. It's dead easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Right, here we have it. We've got a load of mince. I think they call it in the States, they call it ground meat, but it's basically beefsteak mince. Yeah, we've got a bottle of tomato juice, proper tomato juice, real tomato juice, bag of sliced mushrooms, some gourmet vegetables, a couple of onions, and a bag of roast potatoes. Very simple to do. Slice open the potatoes, pour them in. Gourmet style vegetables, slice open the bag, pour them in. Slice mushrooms, slice open the bag, pour them in. Yeah. Now I like onions, in fact I love onions, so we're going to have plenty of onions in here. Because it's on a building site, it's not exactly super clean, but it doesn't need to be. Yeah, you need to get the food ready in a hurry. We're supposed to be building, well, we're actually making sash windows on the job, so this is just a quick setup. Yeah, bit of standing knife, put one of those in, put one of those in. These are called spring onions. Yeah, but you get them all year round, so it's hardly spring. Yeah, so you put those in, and there we have it. You've got that. Now my favourite ingredient, which is butter. Yeah, you cut it in half. Take the wrapper off. Take it all off. Well, there's always one little bit, isn't there? Put that in there. You always put the meat on top. You never put the meat on the bottom. Because funny enough, the meat cooks quicker than the vegetables. Yeah. So we'll just stir that in a bit. Yeah. Put the meat on top. Take the wrapper off. Break it up so everybody gets a bit. Yeah, and pour on. Here we are. Nothing to worry about. Then we put the lid on and switch it on. Yeah, put it on to high. We'll come back in 3 hours time. This will probably be moved by then, because we've got to work in here, but that's it. Dead simple. It took me less than what, 3 minutes to do, and that will serve any number of guys. I mean, we've got 3 on the job site today, but there you can see. So by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, when we sit down for something to eat, it's all red. Not some grotty sandwich, no McDonald's, no KFC. Good, wholesome food. So you want fast food? Well, here we have fast food. It took 3 minutes to prepare, and there it is. Now you can see it bubbling away very slowly. All we have to do is add salt and pepper and a little bit of spice, depending on the taste of whatever people like. Right, it's now 4 hours later. We haven't done anything to it apart from we stirred it once. But now what we'll do is we'll see what it looks like. There we are. There it is, bubbling away, nice and hot. Yeah. What we'll do is we'll just put a serving in. There we are. And there you have it. Absolutely gorgeous. If you want fast food, this is fast food. Yeah, it took 3 minutes to prepare and now it's ready to eat. Super hot, but absolutely delicious. There we have it. A stew done in 4 hours on a building site. No problems at all. Tomorrow, or next week rather, we'll do another dish.